Hi there, my name is Lindsay Hampson, and I'm an ESG and sustainability speaker. And I'm also the founder of This Rock Incorporated. People call me a business minded tree hugger. So, are you in need of a keynote presentation, or maybe an event speaker, or a workshop instructor for your business, for your employees, maybe for your board, or for an event? Well, let's talk. I've spoken on webinars, on panels, at company lunch and learns, and I've even created workshops and I've emceed events as well. Topics that I typically speak about include ESG, or environmental social governance, and sustainability for small and mid-sized businesses, the profitability of being good, climate action and the business community, and also social impact. I have current and on the ground experience helping small and mid sized businesses meet these new environmental and social demands, often from their largest customers, investors, bankers, or employees. So, when I speak about navigating ESG and sustainability, I get to bring real world scenarios, ideas, and even hiccups into our conversation. I offer three styles of ESG speaking. The first is a thought leader presentation. The second is a training workshop. And the third is a panelist or an event host or MC. So let's get in touch in three quick steps. The first is reach out to my Contact Us form and tell me about yourself. Two is let's have a quick 15-minute conversation about your needs, and then I can talk about how I can help. And number three is I'll give you pricing or your investment. We'll talk about dates and we'll lock in an agenda. So if you're looking for an ESG and sustainability speaker to inspire, but somebody who has their feet firmly planted here on the ground in reality, I think I can help. I can bring real world situations, talk about the bottom line of a business, talk about incoming mandates and regulations, all while telling a joke or two and getting some engagement from your audience or from your employees or from your board. I would love to help you.